Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is square root of b square divided by b is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So in the first method, now we move the term b from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get square root of b square is equals to 4 times of b. And now further we need to remove this square root sign from left hand side, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, this will be written as in this form. This is a square root of b square and its whole square. Further, in the next step, we have this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get b square is equals to, here we apply the square sign separately on both of these two values, and we get 4 square multiplied by b square. So you know about that b square is equals to 16 times of b square. So if we move the term b square from left hand side to the right hand side, and this will become 16 times of b square minus b square is equals to 0. So here you see that both of these two terms involve b square. So we take common b square from here, and we get the remaining values are 16 minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further we have this is b square multiplied by 16 minus 1 becomes 15, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we divide both of the sides by 15 in order to get the value of b square. This 15 and this 15 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here b square is equals to, this is 0 divided by 15, and we know that when we divide 0 with 15, this will becomes here 0. So b square equals to 0 implies that b is equals to 0 and 0. So here you see that in this method we get these are the two repeated roots of the given equation. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of b be the solution, or is this value of b be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of b square divided by b is equals to 4. And here we just substitute the value of b is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. So when we put it here, it will becomes square root of 0 square divided by 0 is equals to 4. And you know that 0 square becomes 0, and the square root of 0 is also becomes 0, and this will becomes here 0 over 0 form is equals to 4. So you see that our left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, and it is called that indeterminate form. You know that 0 over 0 form be the indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. Okay, so if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that b is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further you see here we cannot get any other value of b which is satisfied our given question statement. So we called that b is equals to 0 with the extraneous root, and here finally we conclude about that this question has no solution in general. So this is the our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of b divided by b is equals to 4. So this is the our given question statement, and here the second method with a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here b divided by b is equals to 4. and now this b and this b are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 1 is equals to 4. So if 1 is equals to 4, this means that it is not a possible case. It is not possible that 1 is equals to 4, because these two values are not equal in general. So here further you see that here we cannot get any value of b which is satisfied our given question statement, or in other words the value of b does not exist in the second method. This concludes about that this question has no solution. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.